Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super fast Kahlua. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails keto friendly and low carb, click the little subscribe button and the bell icon because that'll tell you every time I put a new video out. So let's get started. There's a whole bunch of recipes on the internet on how to make coffee liqueur, Kahlua. Now I'll say this, the difference between a coffee liqueur and a Kahlua is basically your base spirit. A coffee liqueur you'll find using mostly vodkas, maybe sometimes some Everclear. Kahlua is a rum-based spirit. So with this, we're gonna be using a rum. So if you see a recipe that says DIY Kahlua and they're using vodka, that's not Kahlua. Kahlua is a rum-based drink. So we're gonna get started, show you how to do this. Very, very simple. You don't need to let it sit for 2 weeks. You don't need coffee grinds. You don't need instant coffee. You don't need coffee beans. You need coffee. That's it. Just coffee. 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 Just make a pot of your coffee. Whatever coffee you prefer, I would highly recommend using that. I don't like the taste of instant coffee, so I'm not gonna like that in my Kahlua. So the coffee we use here at my house, Starbucks Pike. That's it. So I just made a pot of coffee, put some aside, and this is what I'm using as my base. Because I find this way, whatever you enjoy drinking in your morning coffee, your afternoon coffee, your evening coffee, you're gonna want that taste in your Kahlua. So that's what we're doing. So now your sweetener, if you watch my last video on my allulose simple syrup, you can see that video right here. I have 1 cup of allulose. I'm gonna add 1 cup of coffee. That's it, it's just brewed coffee. So 1 cup of allulose, 1 cup of coffee, and put that in here. Let me get a spoon. I'm just gonna stir that up until it's all dissolved. You can put this in a mason jar and shake it. It'll go a little faster, it'll dissolve a little quicker. And to this, we're gonna add 1 cup of rum. If you want to use a little more bold flavor, use a darker rum. You want something a little more mild, the way it tastes more of the coffee, stands out on its own, use a lighter rum. That's basically how you can handle that. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of, a decent cheap rum. I'm not using a bottle that has the word rum written in black letters and that's it. Using some Don Q Crystal. It's like, 10, 12 bucks. I'm not gonna use the high-end rum for this. That'd be pointless. Again, give that a little stir. Now for the last little bit of it, vanilla extract. This is gonna end up being 2 cups of Kahlua. I'm gonna use 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that another quick little stir. Oh, that's yummy. Now, for the next thing you do is you can put it in an airtight container. Put that in your fridge. It should last you, 4 or 5 weeks. Unless you're having a really fun night with White Russians, Black Russians, or the pumpkin spiked latte. That video will be out next, so keep an eye out for that one. So, in a container. You can use a mason jar, those are airtight as well. So if a funnel, and just put said ingredients blended together in said container. And that is it, my friends. your DIY coffee liqueur or your Kahlua substitute. All right, y'all have a great day, because in a moment, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.